Hello friend, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kesri. Today we will see function. In R, there are two types of function: built-in function and user-defined function. Built-in function are the function which is already defined in R. For example, max, min, sec, mean, sum are some built-in function. Let's see the use of built-in function. Print max. This function returns the max value. See, the output is 45 because 45 is maximum here. Now print run it. See, the output is 10 because this function returns the minimum value and 10 is minimum here. This function gave the series of 1 to 10. See, the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Print this function returns mean value from 1 to 10. See, the output is 5.5, which is mean. Some functions return the sum of these values. See, the output is 25, which is sum of these two values. Now we move on user defined function. User defined function is defined by user according to their need. Let's see an example of user defined function. Here we will print hello using user defined function. Take a function name f is equals to, now write function keyword. Function keyword is used to define a function. Write print hello. Now after define the function, call here the defined function, run it. See, the output is hello. This part is known as defining part of a function and this part is known as the calling part of a function. A function gives output always after calling, so we have to call a function for use it. Now see another example. Here we will find sum of two numbers and pass parameter to our function. See, pass here two parameter. Now call the function. Run it. See, the output is 25, which is sum of these two. This parameter is known as formal parameter and this parameter is known as actual parameter. Now we define a function which print the table of 2. Pass a parameter here. For I in Now call the function and pass here 10. Now run it. See, the output is table of 2. If you want to print the table of 3, then write here 3. Now run it. See, the output is table of 3. In this session, we saw how we define and use a function. Thank you.